Assalamualaikum brothers and sisters, and yes, this is my first ever voice video, so I kinda scared recording this, not gonna lie. But yeah, let's get started on the 5 tips and tricks that I have for you to become a better Muslim. So the first trick that I have for you all is to write down in a notebook du'as to memorize in your free time or on your board, because this can actually help you in many aspects of your life. Like you could literally memorize a dua for protection, for good deeds, like many things. And if you're not sure like what to memorize exactly, then I do have a video for you to check out after watching this video. So the second tip I'll be talking about is to teach the Quran to younger siblings or cousins, because it's sunnah. Even if like you're the youngest child or an only child, then you can actually teach it to like anyone you know that's struggling, or your neighbors, friends, people like that. And you can get lots of good deeds for it, for helping them and teaching them. In a way, you're a little mini Islamic teacher. So I personally teach my younger brother the Quran like often, and because I'm like that one harsh Islamic teacher, like I'm a bit strict, but yeah, like it is fun though. So the third tip that I have for you is to memorize and recite ayatul kursi, because it's used for protection against jinns and like shaitan. So whenever like there's dogs walking at night, I get so scared, I'm not gonna lie, because like I'm just like immediately recite ayatul kursi. But there are many uses, and here are some other benefits that you could have from reciting ayatul kursi. So you can pause the video and like read them, but if you just want to quickly read ayatul kursi because you know you get good deeds for it, then here it is. And my fourth tip that I have for you all is to recite Subhanallah 33 times, Alhamdulillah 33 times, and Allahu Akbar 34 times. And this is apparently sunnah, and I saw that this was a way to enter jannah in an Islamic video. So if I can find it anywhere, then I will link it down in the comments below. So the fifth and final tip that I have for you all is to do acts of charity, because this is not only a pillar in Islam, it is something that you should be doing regularly, and doing acts of charity can also increase you in your wealth. So you should definitely consider this, and I think it's a really great thing to do as a Muslim, and not even Muslim, like just human. Like we should be able to care for others without any selfish purpose. If you aren't sure like what exactly acts of charity to do, then I do also have a video for that, and I will share it in the comments below. So do definitely check the comments and the description, because it has some useful things linked to this video. So yeah, if you made it this far into the video, then thank you so much, and please consider subscribing if you aren't subscribed already for more Islamic content like this, and liking the video will make it reach out to other Muslims that are trying to get closer with their deen. And I'll see you next time.
ينهانا عن كل طريق